and welcome to KYE Interactive. I am your host Trupta Kolgud Nadkarni. On this digital platform, we speak to entrepreneurs from diverse fields and they tell us why they didn't want to do the typical 9 to 5, but they wanted to do something very different. So my guest today is Sanjay Verma, who is the HVAC, known as Heating, Ventilation and Air Conditioning Solution Provider at Sara HVAC Systems. Sanjay has the ability to work from the grassroots level and he has worked with various organizations. He started his career in the field of air conditioning in October 1996 and he developed himself in all aspects of the field of HVAC, like designing of AC systems, the marketing, product planning, designing, like I already said, its execution and much more. So we're going to find out more from Sanjay. So hi Sanjay and welcome to the KYE Interactive platform. How are you doing today?
Good.
Okay, great. So please tell us a little bit about your venture like Sara HVAC, and what exactly is this venture about? Please tell us.
Actually, when I passed my graduation and it was my earliest stage, 97 when I started my career.
Okay.
I had never thought I will be entrepreneur a day. A day will come, I will be entrepreneur.
Right.
Time went and today speaking, when I was in Chennai prior to that, and I moved to Mumbai in 2004. And apart from this marketing, I was taking care for marketing. I started learning everything like designs,
Okay.
commercial parts and everything.
Okay.
So when I moved up in Mumbai in 2004, I started taking care for everything, design aspects as well as the execution in HVAC field.
Right.
The time came and I do not know it is like air conditioning industry people, many of my well-wishers who said me, Sanjay, I mean, it is now almost 15 years of job. So why not you will do something, I mean, on your own. And a day came on 31st of May 2013.
Okay.
I started, thinking, okay, let us go ahead with the new ventures, that is Sara HVAC Systems. And it is all HVAC industry. You can say the manufacturers, the suppliers, they people motivated me to become entrepreneur actually.
Okay, so that was the motivation. Your friends told you, it's been a long time. Why don't you consider becoming an entrepreneur and do something that is your passion? So yeah, that's great. So why the name Sara? Is there anything particularly? Is anybody named Sara?
I never thought something Sara. I mean, how it came, but the fact is that the day I started thinking, okay, let us do some our own. One of my very close friend in HVAC industry who said, okay, I mean, you start your own, I will give you the opportunity. I mean, I have one of my close friend, I mean, they are working at Sahara Hospitality.
Okay.
Sahara Hotel, I mean, which is located at Domestic Airport, Mumbai.
Okay. Yeah.
I went there, I had some sort of commercial negotiations for HVAC works. And they said, okay, go ahead. I mean, you start the contracting work with my project, basically.
Okay.
I was just thinking there was one Ganesh temple near to Sahara Hotel in their campus. I was just sitting and thinking what to do, what not to do, what name will be better. Sitting there, I thought, okay, let us do one thing, something similar as Sahara. So I put Sara. Many people used to think Sara may be the daughter of me, but no, I do not have a daughter. I have only two sons.
Okay.
But anyway, some of the friends said probably the Sara will be your family name, like S for Sanjay, A for your son Aryan, and R for your better half for your life partner Ruparani, and A is another son Ayush.
Oh wow! So it was meant to be, I think. Sara.
I had never thought when the company was established, but the people in the industry, they started doing some interpretation. Okay, ऐसा नाम हो सकता है.
हाँ, और वैसे ही हुआ, बहुत अच्छे से हुआ, मतलब सबके इनिशियल जोड़ के नाम, everything came together. So I think that is really wonderful. So please tell us कि क्या है इस फील्ड के बारे में, that gives you a sense of accomplishment. या किक बोलते हैं ना कि I'm doing the right thing by becoming an entrepreneur.
When you start any business, truly speaking, the business community, I personally feel they are the different people.
Right.
And business is not meant for everyone.
Right.
And that is what I was also thinking so. But it is all the industry people who just, you can say that they thrown me in the deep sea and they said me, you swim and come out.
Yeah.
It happened. You have to do the major things, like you have to be your strong willpower.
Yes.
Yes, I will do. And apart from that, the determination for your destination, which is very, very required.
Absolutely.
Once I started, I had a lot of hurdles. I was not having entrepreneur experience. I was alone. Other supported like parallel partners or maybe the employee who can help me in the field. So each and everything I had to think, like starting from the company profile to executing the job and handing what to the customers.
Right.
So, but anyway, जैसे बोला जाता है ना कि मैं तो अकेला ही चला था और कारवां बनता चला गया.
बिल्कुल, हाँ.
और after getting the job of Sahara Hotel, I took some couple of employees. Then a day happened when one of my close friend, he's from Hyderabad. He said, Sanjay bhai, I have very good opportunity. There is a multinational company coming up at Terminal 2 at Mumbai. Will work together. So it was the biggest ever job, and we got overnight the job awarded to us.
Wow.
So वो क्या होता है कि आवश्यकता आविष्कार की जननी होती है. तो एक बार जब I was just having couple of employees, that's all, nothing more than, and no like the infrastructure for our company. But everything happened overnight. I started calling X, Y, Z, many people, and within a week time, you can say I got almost half dozen employee sitting in my office.
Wow.
And at Goregaon East, I took office immediately. तो जैसे जैसे समय आता गया, ये hurdles पार हुए और I got it established slowly. Once it got established, then again you have a lot of other challenges.
Yes.
Suppose you are doing a project, many company will say you, no, Baba, your company is new, I cannot give you the materials. You have to pay the 100% payments and all. Some or other, people will say, no, I do not have, many other XYZ question comes.
Yeah, right.
Correct. But thanks God, I had my excellent relations with all the HPSC stalwarts, you can say.
Yeah.
They all supported me to come out from all the hurdles and getting the jobs done one after another.
Correct. And very true, like you said so well, like a whole team came together and supported you. And now when you, like you said, you got a dozen employees, that must be really giving you a good feeling, like feeling of satisfaction कि चलो जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. और चाहे इतने hurdles हो, like you said, you had many hurdles in the beginning. You successfully overcame them, and I'm sure, Sara HVAC is doing.
One other point I would like to add.
Sure.
For example, I'm talking for the HPC industry.
Correct.
When I started my company, see, when you start, what will happen? Some other competitors will already be there in the market, basically.
Correct.
So, already the established company and the other company coming up, it is very difficult to manage the situation. It is very difficult to get some new customers.
Correct.
lot of things used to happen. I mean, to get established.
Right, right. Absolutely. So, do you consider this whole COVID-19 pandemic also a hurdle, or do you look at it as a positive opportunity? And how did you overcome this whole last year and abhi like do chal raha hai? Did you have to make any modifications?
Yes, definitely. एक हिंदी में कही जाती है कि ये वैश्विक महामारी,
हाँ,
ये COVID-19 जो हुई, it happened last year.
हाँ,
We have never thought actually the situation will happen like this.
correct.
We
Absolutely.
were enjoying the life and we were in full fledged of business in March,
Yes.
and we were in the mood of closing the March, but it could not happen.
Yes.
March 19, March 19,
Second, हाँ, right.
COVID was started.
Correct, correct.
And suddenly, the peak summer, which is very well known to the air conditioning people, and the whole peak summer, we were just sitting idle in our house with our family.
Yeah.
So, anyway, it had given a good lesson to us. We came to know a lot of other things like our family, our relatives, our surroundings, across nation. We came closer, but at the same time, we had in our mind, yes, the day it will come, we have to come up in better way.
Yeah, absolutely.
So during this COVID time, we did a lot of digital training,
Okay.
digital, you can say some sort of education sharing with each and every people basically on our air conditioning platform. I also had a lot of technical presentation with many other companies,
Okay. Okay. Great.
and we started doing some digital promotion of our companies.
Okay.
Slowly, unlock happened, and business started moving up after that. You can say.
Okay. Great. Great. Happy, very happy to hear that, and hope it keeps progressing only in the years to come. So, where do you want to see Sara HVAC in the coming years? Like, what are your business aspirations? Where would you like to see your company go next?
See, there is no end of your expectation.
Correct.
In Hindi or in the language of economics, आवश्यकताएं अनंत है.
Okay.
उसी तरह से I also wanted to reach to some a sky level, but yes, there is some sort of limitations for each and everything.
Right.
I'm positive, and I had in my mind from the day one, a day should come when Sara HVAC system should have at least 100 of employees in the next, starting 2013 to, another 10 years, like 2023.
Okay.
So till 23, we should have 100 employees with us.
Okay.
Unfortunate part, little bit downs happen in between due to COVID and maybe some due to changes of business styles.
Right.
But still, I am aiming at the year 2025, at least Sara HVAC should have 100 employees,
Wow.
and we should take care of 100 families.
Absolutely. And we wish you all the best for that. That's why, you're an entrepreneur, because you have dreams for your entire team. And आप सबको लेके आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं. So I think वो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. And please tell us, जब से आपने Sara HVAC शुरू किया, from the time you started till now, how has this venture changed you? Like, what do you think about that? Has it brought about any changes in you?
सबसे बड़ा difference, the major difference, I don't know. That gives sometimes, you can say, either happiness or maybe some sort of different feelings. When I started my job, I was just thinking, when the 7th of the month will come, first week, 7th date, the day some sort of salary amount will be credited to my account.
Okay. Right.
So that day used to be the happiest day. Yes, I have got the salary, let us enjoy the life.
Right.
So it was the day, and now the day has changed now.
Right.
Now it's like the first week comes, I used to think how I should give more smiles to my employee.
Oh, right. Absolutely.
The day the salary day comes means our employees should have the happiness.
Yes.
They should have and that happiness gives me more strength,
Yes.
more motivations, is sort of motivations also you can say.
Right.
Yes, they will, I mean, have satisfaction. I automatically gets motivated.
Absolutely.
तो वो चीजें एक होती है like. And apart from that, this difference, one major difference I felt I was not able to give some quality time with my family or maybe myself actually.
Okay.
When I was doing job, my time was fully packed. Yes, 8 o'clock I have to start for office. When I go office, there is no time schedule. Probably I may come at evening 8 or maybe 10. Again, morning, sometime I have to catch the flight. I have to go to some other cities like Hyderabad, Delhi for some other air conditioning business project. So there was no time limitations and I was bound to perform each and every time.
Right.
Of course, as an entrepreneur also, I'm bound to do all that. But one small difference comes here, like little bit freedom.
Yeah.
कि चलो ठीक है आज ऑफिस 9:30 के बजे 10 बजे चला जाऊंगा, no problem.
Correct.
Boss will not be asking the question,
Where were you?
I have come half an hour late.
Yeah.
So
Absolutely.
that difference comes and that gives me little bit, okay, yes, if nobody is asking the question, I can come late also. And if maybe probably a day if I feel अरे चलो यार आज half day के बाद घर जाने का है या half day के बाद I have to go somewhere else, that freedom I feel little bit. This is a major difference.
Absolutely. And बहुत ही अच्छा. Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead, Mr. Ramesh.
Apart from that, like many other plannings, I used to do when I was employee, but I was not able to do that. The things like whatever I have learned in my 15 years of job as well as the 7.5 years of entrepreneurs. So whatever I had learning, I had always thought I will give my all these learnings to the next generation,
Right.
whoever comes to the HPC industry.
Correct.
So again, the hurdles was there. I was not able to give the time to honorary societies like
Yeah.
air conditioning is also having the honorary societies. Apart from that, air conditioning, some other societies also I was not able to give the time.
Okay.
But one thing difference happened when I became entrepreneur. I was able to spare the time and I was able to share my learnings to youngsters.
Okay. Which actually we were going to ask you that please share some words of wisdom for our youngsters and budding entrepreneurs. That is our very next question, because उनके दिमाग में ideas तो होते हैं, but how to go about it. So please, what would you like to say to them?
I used to. I'm the member of air conditioning societies that is called ASRE.
Okay.
And on that platform, I have got opportunity to go to visit many engineering colleges.
Okay.
And I might have done more than 50 presentations or more than 50 presentations
Okay, great.
for all the engineering students of mechanical faculty and the third year and final year engineering students. I used to guide them to come to HVAC industry. We need technocrat. We need the young energetic team and young energetic people like the youngsters engineers coming to HVAC industry. They can do a lot of changes. They can do a lot of new innovations and all. So that things I used to motivate them, and I'm happy to say I think on my knowledge, at least the known students will be more than hundreds. They have come to HPC industry,
Very nice.
and I feel proud.
Of course.
Sometimes some places when I used to go, they used to say, "Sir, due to you, I'm in HPC industry." And of course, they are the people. They are doing much better than me. I feel proud कि चलो मैंने कुछ इन लोगों को guide किया and they are doing very well now.
Absolutely.
So that gives the satisfactions. That gives like one special, I mean, like category, like उस family को भी हमने मतलब एक खुशी दिलाई है, एक happiness दिलवाई है.
बिल्कुल.
That cannot be measured.
Absolutely. लेकिन वो आप यंगस्टर्स को बोलना क्या चाहेंगे अगर उनके मन में आइडिया है तो हाउ शुड दे मतलब व्हाट इज योर एडवाइस टू देम हाउ शुड दे गो अबाउट इट
We are fortunate the present government of our country, they are supporting a lot
very much. Yeah, absolutely.
the entrepreneurship, and they have a lot of programs in many colleges, and they are motivating them to become entrepreneur, to not become job seekers.
Yeah.
They are giving a lot of facilities. बहुत सारे गवर्नमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपने देखा होगा, सुना होगा. I do not want to just go for all that because it is their business. But if you are becoming entrepreneur, you can give at least, first of all, yourself, you are getting employed. Then, it is like there is no limit.
Yes.
You can have unlimited employees based on your business.
Correct.
So one entrepreneur can give any number of employees. They can create any number of employees.
Yes. Okay.
So come and create the job, business, and give the happiness to as many as families.
Yes. Yes.
They will have a lot of hurdles. But अगर challenges ना हो तो फिर जिंदगी का फायदा क्या?
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही.
So come become entrepreneur, create jobs, give the happiness to many families. Governments are supporting, and they are the future for our country.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So this is what I would like to say.
Thank you so much for those words, Sanjay. And ये जो wall है पीछे, that's really nice, very impressive. Are these your team members? Some of them that I am seeing behind, and some of the awards that you have won, and your prestigious customers.
Yeah, basically, when I said that when I was employee, I was not getting time. When I became entrepreneur, I started giving some time to honorary societies.
Yeah. Correct.
Then I started having a lot of things, thoughts. कि हाँ अभी तो थोड़ा टाइम है, थोड़ा क्रिएटिव सोचने का.
अच्छा.
But the difference comes like we are of before 2000 and 70s people, or the children of 2000 plus people, they are the digital people. So little bit difference is there.
Right.
I try to match with them.
Okay.
And what I have done is like on every platform I have done many works.
Okay.
So some sort of photographs I have just collected at one place, and some of the customer names you can see backside of me.
Right.
It is also collected, and I have just made it one banner in my office.
Okay.
And it is kept behind me, our prestigious customers and all.
Right.
So it is kept here.
Wonderful.
And
that looks
a lot of other things are there in office.
Absolutely. बहुत ही अच्छा. It's like a nice colorful collage. Very nice. And Sanjay, thank you so much for coming on the KYE interactive platform and speaking with us and sharing some really nice words. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके, and we wish Sara HVAC all the very best for the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for nice hosting the program basically, and definitely I mean, once again, at the end, I would like to say thanks to, my parents, which I have not taken the name.
Yeah.
I'm in this world due to him.
Right.
And even though my parents is not there with me now, they are no more, but still I used to get inspiration from them, and I have learned the honesty from them, and that honesty has made me to come at this level basically. And maybe the almost 23 years of SBC industry,
Wow.
whatever I have spent in these 23 years, I mean, as of now, it is all the blessing of my parents. I will not forget the very supportive wife. She is always, supporting at each and every steps.
Absolutely.
And my children, they used to say, "Papa, jaldi aa jana."
Absolutely. अगर अच्छी supportive team हो, then nothing is impossible. Then you also feel like yes, everything is achievable. So very nice to hear your story, Mr. Sanjay.
Thank you so much.
So much. It was great talking.
Thanks.
Bye bye.
Thanks.